Hello everyone. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw that how we can do the stubbing on an spy object, and we also saw that how we can use spy as a partial mock to actually call a real method on the external dependency. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can perform the behavior verification on an spy object. So friend, when it comes to the behavior verification, the spy and mock perform almost the same stuff. So in our previous lectures, when we discussed about the mock, we also saw that how we can use mock to perform the behavior verification. Where the behavior verification helped us in knowing that whether any particular method was actually being called with a proper argument. We also saw that using the behavior verification we can simply check that how many times a particular method was interacted. We also saw that we can use that whether any particular method was never interacted. And we saw many other stuffs related to the behavior verification. So friends, when we deal with the spy or mock, the behavior verification works very much similar. So let's say if for time being I simply copy it and paste it below, and here I comment this part and I make it a spy. And after making it spy, if I run the test cases, so here you can see all the test cases ran successfully. That is because when it comes to behavior verification in Mockito, mock and spy works the same. So friends, we already discussed about behavior verification in mock in great detail. So the similar concepts are applied on the spy object as well. As whatever we perform with the mock, the similar stuff we need to perform with the spy to provide the behavior verification capability. So friends, I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.